This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, sir. From today onwards, we start with the RF devices. Okay, and day before yesterday, we have seen queues. How we are going to in which form we are going to assign work to warehouse workers and etc. And yesterday we have seen resources. Resources mean say how we can access the resources. Okay, to access the storage bin, to access the handling units and etc. like these things. Okay. Now, from today onwards, we go with the RF environment. RF stands for RF stands for radio frequency. RF stands for radio frequency. This is the one of the major area where we integrate technical consultants for screen changes and etc. We can see here. And in EWM, it comes under mobile data entry. Mobile data. Okay. And coming to RF devices, we see handheld devices, truck mounted devices, truck mount devices. What are those? Handheld devices are normally these workers use with hands. Truck mount device, say if we use forklift and etc. In our system, forklift also a resource. Okay, within the forklift we set up some screen and scanning equipment and etc. to scan. Here, what scanning? Say for example, one warehouse task is there. Warehouse task means we see source bin, products are HUs, products are HUs, destination bin, okay, this we can see. Warehouse task. Source bin we can see, destination bin we can see, products we need to move from one place to another place. Okay, first thing, if we carry a handheld device, we need to scan the bin. We need to scan the bin. Why? Either we reach the correct bin or not. Then once we scan that source bin, we scan the products. Say for example, different products are there, different handling units are there. As per the system proposal, we need to scan the product or handling unit, right? Correct one. Then we need to move to destination storage bin. Okay, destination storage bin to confirm that warehouse are. Okay. Here also we are going to scan the destination bin. Okay, either with help of handheld device or truck mount device. We see some images. These comes under the handheld device. See here, these are the handheld devices. Okay, and say how this handheld device will work means each device is having one battery. We need to charge the batteries. Normally, what I observed in the warehouses means say 1:2 or 1:3, they maintain the spare batteries. Okay, they maintain batteries. Okay, say each battery life some 6 to 8 hours like these things. Okay, depends on the company, depends on the capacity of the capacity of the batteries and RF devices and etc. Say, say normally warehouse workers works on shifts, 6 hour shift, 8 hour shift like these things. Once uh, they were getting down from their existing shift, okay, next shift people what they can do, they change the battery in the RF device and start to work on warehouse. This is happening. Okay, say here, these are the handheld devices. And come to here, truck mount device. Truck mount devices. Same truck mount device as well. Say here, these are the truck mount device. Say for example, if we see this person is sitting in forklift, here we can see truck base device. Okay. Truck mount device we can see. Okay. Truck mount device in forklift. Say here, this is the truck mount device, and say here this person is scanning with this scanning instrument. He is sitting in here, sir. He is sitting in forklift. He is either here, yeah, here he is validating the source bin, etc. And if we see functionalities are same, but screen sizes are different. Screen sizes. Say for example, handheld scanner in warehouse. See here, what the picture. Handheld RF device in warehouse. So if we see this screen is something like this is different. Truck mount also different. Truck mount RF device in warehouse. So this is different. Functionalities are same. We can see the same features in that handheld device and this truck mount device. How we can manage. The first one is the display profile. Display profile. Display profile. With reference to display profile, we decide screen size. We decide screen size. Okay. Display profile. I will show one image. Take here. Truck mount device is there, handheld device is there. Different display profiles. Okay. Display profile defines the size of the screen. Size of the screen. Next one. Another one is presentation profile. Presentation profile. Okay. We use only one for warehouse. Presentation profile. We use only one warehouse. What are the presentation means menus? What are the common menus, standard menus, and etc. available for these? Okay, that can be come with the presentation profile. Another profile is there, personalization profile. Personalization profile. Personalization. Say for example, inbound worker is there. Inbound always those resources work on inbound only. In that case, no need to give option for him outbound as well. Outbound as well. In that case, what we can do? We use personalization profile and assign to the resources, not directly. And each resource assigned to one user. Each resource assigned to. Say for example, I am a functional consultant working in one project. Okay, but how we can say that I'm working? They create one SAP user ID for us, assigned to us. So that functional consultant involves in the project. Like this thing, see here, every resource is having one SAP user ID. That user ID, we assign this to resources. Then how they can log on different things. Say here, say for example, they can manually enter user ID and the password on the device, or else they scan. Okay, normally we use access card to enter into our component, etc. Normally, in warehouse workers as well, they can manage access cards. Not on the neck, what I observed, they use for the belt, okay, waist belt, small, like these things. Once, I have seen that their user ID also maintained with some barcode. Okay, once they scan with handheld device, system come to know that that person means that resource is um, log on into the RF device like these things. Once after closing that, okay, his shift and etc. During closing of his shift and etc. He click on the log off button. He click on the log off button. The next resource can access the same thing like this. Okay, that we are doing warehouses. Okay, one is with the fingers manually user ID password. Other one is scan our access card. Okay, these are the methods to access the RF devices and etc. Coming to the connectivity. Okay, say here SAP we use some database servers and etc. EWM located in one server and etc. How that can be connected, that can be connected to our RF device and etc. Okay, actually that is the technical terminology. I have seen ITS connectivity. Okay, check. Some routers they can use, routers, mobile data entry. Say here, mobile data entry, they use like this. Say one side we can use workstations, another side servers as well. Okay. Say here these are the RF devices and etc. They use some switchboards, and see here these are the routers, common points, access points. Okay. This can be accessed. This can be accessed. This even printers also can access this like these things. And coming to warehouses, even printer also a resource. Even printer also a resource to get printouts and etc. Okay, like these things. Like we
So,
go,
CK sir, one quick question.
yeah,
When you say like printer is also a resource, right? So
correct.
usually houses we use thermal printers, right? So all of them are thermal or any normal printers can be used.
So, actual coming to the printers, okay, Jabra printers we can see. These are separate normal printers. See here, these are only for these kind of labels and etc. Zebra printers. Okay, I have seen Zebra 421 is their printer. This is widely say here. These are the separate printers. Okay. Here, see here. And apart from that, say for example, pick list. I want to get a pick list. Okay, this is not a label. Okay, this is the label. Pick list normal printer. Pick list normal printer. Say one page is one just like a worksheets and etc. Pick list is nothing but warehouse archive. Okay, we get print out, we keep with us and access to the source storage bins, and we go through the list of products picking and like these things. Sometimes they go for the pick list print out. Otherwise we can see in RF device itself one after another work. Okay, like these things. Next, next, this is the screen how they go for the connectivity and etc. Now they are going for the connectivity, etc. We can see like these things. Then one common presentation device with name they can use presentation device. Presentation device. Say for example, here two kinds of devices are there. One is truck mount device, another one is handheld device. We assign at resource level this presentation device. We are going to EWM system. Coming to extended warehouse management, master data, resource management, maintain resources. If we see our resource, here we have given one default presentation device for this resource. Say for example, this is a worker, we can use this device. Or else, say for example, I want to go with some other page as well. Say here another master data, we can see here, you can give some presentation device. And connectivity, mostly they are using ITS mobile concept. ITS mobile concept. From functional point of view, we cannot involve, okay? We can test either connection is correctly established or not, and etc. This can be taken care by basis consultant plus other consultants. Okay, ITS mobile. Anyway, we have some SAP standard documentation regarding ITS mobile RF cookbook as well. Okay, I will upload this. Okay, say here, this we can see display profile, presentation profile, personalization profile. Coming to the system where we can see all these things. Go to IMG setup, SEM extended warehouse management, mobile data entry, radio frequency framework. See here, first one, define steps in logical transactions. Come to here. Okay, say here, define presentation profiles. SAP standard is double star standard. SAP standard one is double star presentation profile. SAP standard is personalization profile star. Open this, the define personalization profiles star standard personalization and etc. Okay, see here this one. Standard personalization profile and presentation profile is this one. What we are going to do, I am copying our warehouse. Okay, come to here NVPW, we can see this one. Again, this I am copying with NV. Okay, standard personalization profile NV. Copying. So please don't change anything, sir. This one. Now come to here. We need to assign presentation profile to warehouse. Presentation profile to warehouse 1:1 only. Come to here. Below that radio frequency framework, we have seen assign presentation profile to warehouse. Come to here. Go to our warehouse. NVPW. Okay. Here we have maintain like. Next. Here, two concepts are there to go with the screens, to go with the menus. What is the difference between screen and menu? Say, for example, within a screen, what are the options you want to go within a screen? That can be decided by screen manager. Screen manager. On top of it, we have menus. We are going to see that. To decide menus, menu is different, screen is different. Menu manager is there. Menu manager is there. We can check. Come to here. RF screen manager first. Go to say screen if we want to see display profile. Select standard this one display profile. Presentation profile. Say for example NVPW I am giving. We can check it. Personalization profile. Say for example NV you can give here, execute. We can see here screen height, screen width, and etc. Say for example, the screen height is there. If you want to see the screens, just have a look, sir. Earlier, before refreshing the system, someone got damaged. This one disturbed everything. Now we are going to check whether this is there or not. Here, see here, but we can see screens. One thing, sir, not this. Go to here. This is screens. We can select here. Just we can see details. Say here, this is the screen height, screen width, template screen program, message template program. We can see here. Come to here. Select here. Okay. Here you can see all the screens and etc. Okay. See here. One thing we can come with. This is going to here only. Screen size 8 by 40 means 8 centimeters to 40 centimeters. And truck mount, we can go with the 16 by 40 like this. Here they can manage in the project. They can go with the new templates. Depends on the without disturbing that star. Okay. Without disturbing star, they copy and go with the new display profiles. Screen number only one it is showing. Save it will come. Okay, one thing. One thing. Just to come back and we select another. Say they used JED or something. Application this one. Okay, display profile. Screens, we can see. Screens. Yeah, see here. Say these are the screens we can see. Okay, standard ones. These are the screen programs, screen numbers we can see here. Okay, these are the screens. Okay, all the screens we are going to see. Okay, all the screens can be managed with here. Now coming to here, menu manager. Say for example, one inbound worker is there. Okay, inbound worker is there. We want to give only inbound options. At that time, we can do it. That we can see. Now we have assigned a presentation profile to our warehouse. Now come to our resource. Go to master data, resource management, maintain resource. See here, one resource is there, resource one. Now come to here, maintain user. Come to here. Here, this resource is assigned to this user. Okay, this resource is assigned to this user. Coming to here, presentation profile. I have copied star, right? That into NVPW, NV standard. And this is my warehouse. And say here auto login and a normal logon is there. I will show it. First, I did not check with auto logon. Now, one transaction is there, /scwm /rfui to see the screens in our system. Transfer /n/scwm rfui. Say here, warehouse number, resource one, default presentation device. This is ASCII. Say for example, if I assign auto logger, that screen will not be appear. Auto logger, I will show you. Go to master data. Resource management. Maintain users. Auto logger. Now come to RFUI. So it is not asking what is this and etc. Now logging off here. Like we can log. Now again I will show. Go to here. I am removing auto logger. Now again go to transaction RFUI. Say here. This is the screen. Okay, either you are correcting. Say for example, auto logon when we can use means any device is dedicated for any resource. In that case, we go for the auto logon. Otherwise, say for example, one common device is there that is using by different resources, then we cannot go with the auto logon option. Now, say for example, enter, everything is correct. These are calling as menus. These are calling as menus. Okay. Actually, here internal process should be there. Some queries or something we can check it. Actually, someone changed. I think one thing. Standard I will show. Standard only I am keeping. Without knowing 100% knowledge is disturbing the system. In our go to here, extended warehouse management, mobile data entry, assign presentation profile to warehouse. I will show only standard, sir. Come to user, master data, maintain users. Come to this user, select NVPW ***. Save it. Someone is changed. The actual fifth option is internal processes and etc. Okay, someone is changing, not a problem. These are calling as menus. These are calling as menus. And what is the advantage, benefits of the mobile data entry in EWM? Okay, flexible screen layout. Flexibility is there to change the screen layouts. And say EWM, SAP is provided some standard functionalities. More than 90%, those standard functionalities fulfill the business requirement. Function keys. We are going to see it. Standard function keys. Okay, F1, F2, F5, F6, like this things. That is provided standard key. And say here RF log-on navigation through menus. Say for example, standard function keys, and I will show you. These are the menus. Say for example, I want to work on inbound. Say I am clicking menu. He has no sub items. Hey, worst fellow sub my without knowing proper knowledge, some illiterates doing all these things. They don't know anything. Sub items they are deleted. Menus completely deleted. JPL we are using, sir. That is working fine. Last batch. complete, they have deleted particulars. I think so. It's very bad, I'm saying, okay, don't touch, don't touch. We can check some rates. I will get one presentation profile at least full. Actually, in previous also standard I did not copy. Copied and changed it to inbound and outbound. Menu manager I have changed. I think so. CI standard is there. We can check, sir. This one CKR1, CI. We check. First we assign CKR1. CI we can check. Full coming or not. Yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, got it, sir. Okay. Luckily, we got one. Okay, what I will do, what I did is CKR1, within that one CI is there, sir. That CI is this one representing all screen, internal processes as well. I have managed that one in the users. Say here, in the users. See here, see CI I have given. Now come to RF. Say here, these are the standard menus, sir. These are the standard menus. Now we are talking about RF logon and navigation through RF menus. RF menus, navigation. Say for example, I want to go inbound. In the inbound, say for example, unloading. Within the unloading, we can see unloading by delivery, unloading by shipment, and etc. Say this is the navigation. Okay, and standard function module, standard function keys are there. Tomorrow also we can discuss it. F7 for coming to previous screen. Coming to previous screen, F7. I'm typing, sir, I'm clicking on F7 on my laptop, previous screen. Okay, say here again F7, previous screen. Again F7, previous screen. Okay, say here. Say for example, next item, what is this? This is the RF logon and navigation through RF menus and standard function keys. Say for example, inbound. Okay, against the inbound, I want to receive the handling. I want to go for the unloading. Say for example, unloading by delivery. We go with one, this one, so test case.
So, CK sir.
Yeah.
So instead of like going that in the menu, we can enter that number, right? 01 or 02.
We will. First menu navigation. Okay. We are not completing session. One by one we can get menu navigation. This is called. Come to here, process type determination control indicator. Say here N1 I have given. Now we require what purchase order for it. Delivery processing, inbound delivery notification. Go to ECC. 5217. Okay. Come to EWM system. We can see our inbound delivery. Say this is the delivery, this is the handling unit. Now we try to do inbound unloading with any one of the reference. Now come to RF screen. First one, we need to create the warehouse task. Which warehouse task? Door into some GR staging area. Create. Come to here confirmation. We need to apply it for our resource. Okay. One queue also we can apply manually. For this we don't have. Okay. At this moment. I have assigned this. Okay. Now come to here. This is the warehouse request. This is the HU. Now go to RF UI. Enter it. Inbound unload. Unloading by delivery is there. Okay, not HU. Okay, that we can. Unloading by delivery. Click on the unloading by delivery. This is the delivery. Enter it. What is the HU number within it? These are nothing but the function keys. These are nothing but the function keys. Okay, these are nothing but the function keys. Say for example, list of HUs, you can see only one HU is there. Tomorrow we come with different handling units that we can see list on etc. F7 I am clicking. Yes, I am trying to show the function keys. Say for example, if we want to create new HU, it is possible to create new HU as well. I am clicking on F7. Okay. Say for example, list. Come to here. Say this is only one. Here you can click on the one RF image. That HU got this one. Press enter. No warehouse order designed for resource. I am clicking on F9. F9 means detailed errors. Detailed error. System pop-up, separate pop-up. Okay. System display the separate pop-up. To give us detailed error. I am clicking on F9 here. No warehouse order designed for resource. Okay. Say here, no warehouse order designed for resource. F7. Come back. Come back. Go to our this. We can check it. Go to monitor /l// SCWM monitor. Come to inbound document, inbound delivery, warehouse orders. Queue is there, resource also there, but not designed for this one. What I am doing is I am unassigned from the resource and I am reassigning the resource. No protocol. Okay. First, what I am doing is double click on it. Go to here. Again, we can come back. Go to RF. Unload my delivery. No warehouse order designed for resource. Okay, what is designed? No warehouse order. What is the queue? We can check. I think separate queue we can view. Come to monitor. RK01, we can give queue. The resource is there. Now come back. Upload by delivery. List one. Enter it. No warehouse order designed for resource one. What is this? 167 F7. Maintain resource. Okay. CKMS filling. Worker resource type is this one. Not a problem here. And resource group RG01. Maintain RG01. Okay. And come to here Q sequence. RG01. We have given this MIPW. And these also we have given. Next one. Maintain resource type worker we have given. That is also fine. Next, maintain users. Come to here. I'm deleting completely. Come back. Go to user. New entries. User. This is the user ID. Presentation profile. CKR1 we have used. This one CKR1 CA. Warehouse is NIPW. NVBW warehouse resource. Resource one we have given. Now go to RFUI. Inbound, unloading my delivery. List one, enter it. No warehouse order designed for this one. Okay. Okay, sir. I will check and this one. Okay. Resource types and etc. I need to check. Go to here. STRO. Go to here. Cross processing settings. Resource management. Define resource type. Go to here. Worker. Come to here. Bin access type. Manual we have given. This one we have given HU type group. We have given. Next one. RQ type. Define use automatic define. We can go. Define queue criteria. I am copying N010. Next, come to access. Queue also we can determine, sir. Given manually. Okay, fourth. Now come to here. Cancel this warehouse order. Now come to our inbound delivery. Create. Queue determine happening. Now come to here. Confirm. Queue got determined. I am running a resource for it. Now come to RFUI. Inbound process. Unloading. Unloading by delivery. Step is unloading. Delivery is this one. HU is this one. Enter one. Okay, sir. I will check. Okay. Anything is I need to check bin access types and etc. Again, bin access type and these things. Okay, one thing, sir. That is also we can check. Bin access type, door bin slash SCWM LS 11. NIDR door bin. Okay. Bin access type. Okay. Okay, got it, sir. Pin access type not at all there. Now come to again. Okay, sir. I will check, sir. I will check and update tomorrow. Just
Sir,
we will. Yeah, please.
sir, one quick question, sir. This RF devices communicates directly with the SAP server, or we have to integrate with some PIPO?
ITS, sir. ITS. Through ITS mobile concept. Okay, I will upload a video to the. Sorry, I will upload some documentation today. Okay.
So at the time of scanning, it directly communicates passes the information to SAP server, and I mean, like vice versa, right?
Not SAP server, sir. In between, we have one some router system is there, switch system and etc. With that can be communicated, sir. I will show one more image. Come to here, how it will connect. Say here, router system is there, sir.
Got
Router
it,
system,
sir.
yeah, router system is there. Okay, yeah, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Tomorrow we will check, sir, why it is not accepting as an etc. Okay. Okay, sir. Nice. Thank you.